खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है। Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today here I am presenting the speech about 9th of November, Iqbal Day. Your message is unity. Your message is clear. Your insight is great. Your intention is sincere. You are called a legend. You are a poet of feast. Your words have great wisdom. My judgment is least. Respected teachers and my fellows, today I am going to say something about a personality who has no need to praise, who is unique in his capacity as a poet, who is rare in his circle as a philosopher, who has no alternate as a great thinker, and who presented everything in the shape of poetry. I am talking about Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. When he was born, the Muslims of subcontinent were plunged into the depth of darkness. He arose as a great ray of hope. The horizon of subcontinent and all the generations of Muslims became delighted. He presented the message of unity, dignity and passion. All were wandering, he collected the all. All were helpless, he stopped them to fall. He took a case, he worked for others. He awakened the people, he lived for others. Iqbal was not mere a person, he was genius who not only realized the bad condition of Muslims but also thought deeply over it and eventually presented an outclassed solution which was called two-nation theory. Allama Iqbal boosted the theory and publicized it across the subcontinent. He truly depicted the original version of the ideology that Muslims and Hindus were two different nations which could never be gathered in the same place. Iqbal raised his voice in the form of powerful verses which worked as a miracle, and Muslims became one under a single flag on single platform. Allah is one, the Prophet is one, Quran is one, the faith is one. If all is one, the earth and sun will never be separated, we all are one. Today we announce we all are one by saying this and raising the slogan. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बटके रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बटके रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. हम सबका है ये ईमान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान. Allama Iqbal continued to awake the soul of Muslims by writing the poetry of freedom. He also guided the people about the importance of Pakistan's existence. He provided a solid leadership to the Muslims of subcontinent, and on the occasion of Round Table Conference at Allahabad, he strongly asserted his case. This was the turning point of Pakistan's movement. Iqbal wrote the explanation of Quranic verses in his poetry and transformed a pure religious message into the brains of Muslims. He set them to feel their position in this world and their lost status on the page of history. He paved the way for other Muslim leaders. Iqbal wrote for all types of people, but his main focus was the young generation and children. It seemed as if he believed to convince them, and his idea worked wonder. Pakistan came into existence as a practical shape of Iqbal's dream. Iqbal arrived no more to see the interpretation of his fantastic dream. The heartbeat of billions of Muslims was stopped on 21st April 1938. Iqbal was buried near Badshahi Masjid at Lahore. His message was an everlasting effect forever. I want to end my tribute to these words. He who does the extraordinary never die. He who sweeps the others tear never cry. His name remains forever, he become a legend. He radiates his shiny rays, he become a diamond. He never gets worried as sixes or sevens. He buries in grave, his soul stays at the heavens. Amen.